The road that rose from ruined dreams. In the bustling town of Brighton, there lived a young woman named Eleanor Hayes. From an early age, Eleanor had one dream: to open her own art gallery and showcase local talents. Her sketchbooks were filled with visions of vibrant halls, warm lighting, and art that spoke to the soul. She studied fine arts, saved every penny from part-time jobs, and finally, at the age of 28, she managed to rent a small space in the heart of the town. With passion in her heart, she opened the doors to the canvas haven. For a few months, it was everything she dreamed of. Local artists came in, curious visitors admired the paintings, and Eleanor felt like she was finally living her purpose. But fate, as it often does, had other plans. An unexpected fire broke out in the building one night, destroying everything: the artwork, the walls, the dream. Eleanor stood before the blackened ruins of her gallery with tears in her eyes. The news headlines read, "Fire destroys independent art studio in Brighton." People consoled her, some advised her to move on, while others suggested she find a more stable job. For weeks, Eleanor fell into silence. She stayed home, afraid to pick up a paintbrush again. Her dream had turned to ashes. But then, one day, she found an old note in her childhood sketchbook. It read, "Even if everything is taken from you, it can never take your vision." It was a quote from her late father, who had always believed in her. That night, Eleanor walked past the ruins of her gallery. This time, she didn't cry. She knelt, touched the burned soil, and whispered, "I'm not done." Instead of mourning the loss, she decided to rebuild. Not the gallery, but the purpose. She started an online platform called New Dawn Art Collective, where she featured local artists, gave free online classes, and even raised funds for those who had lost their creative spaces like her. Within a year, her platform gained national attention. Not only did she manage to help dozens of artists find a place to shine, but she also reopened her gallery in a better location, this time filled with not just art, but stories of resilience. Eleanor learned that sometimes dreams have to shatter so that stronger ones can rise from their pieces. Moral: when your dreams are destroyed, don't see it as the end. It may just be the beginning of something greater. True passion doesn't die in ruins, it rises from them.